You know, the first day, the people were many, and it was my first time to shoot with the drone camera. The drone went up while many people were happy, and it is my first time for me to shoot with that one. That was the best camera, and that was the best moment. The second day also we shoot with those one of bum. I always see them on SSBC and didn't work with them, but Oxygen TV make it to be an easy to me to work with such amazing people. You know, that was the best moment indeed, man. And I was so excited, very, very, very happy on that day.
This is Mel Johnson, BMK manager. Achayot Barat, Iowa. Actually, I'm the manager of the Headers Artists of the Year. Actually, BMK brand Martin Dubai. First of all, I want to thank all the management of Oxygen TV for the good thing they have shown to us, the love, the care during the shooting of the video. Actually, they are one of the amazing people I've ever seen in the world. They have proven to us that they have quality things they are doing in South Sudan. Instead of going outside to other countries, go and shoot more videos, it is good to work with them. They have quality things that they can make a quality video with us. Actually, shooting Meth kën Raan ëbën video with them was an amazing thing. And big thing which I can never forget is all the fans of BMK, wherever they are, those who always stand with him day and night to support him. They always give me that joy and happiness inside me. When I see them supporting him, they give me the strength. See us, all of us move forward is something amazing. So I appreciate everybody that is standing with BMK. We are doing a great work. And we will not sleep, we are cooking things day and night.
We are moving forward. Thank you guys so much for always supporting me. Thank you guys so much for always standing with me. Share the video always. Subscribe on my YouTube. Follow me on my official page, Barat BMK Official. Thank you guys so much. It's your boy, BMK. Acha your Barat! With you?
Ali nya bugana kwalye wadu kwanga banyloi ali